Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I want to show you how to solve a real world problem. So today I want to challenge myself to solve the real world problem statement and to do a project. So for that I'm just navigated to the Smart India Hackathon website, and these are all the problem statements. So from this I selected this problem statement, AI driven disease prediction, crop disease prediction. Here you can see the problem statement 1638. They're asking for making a project that can detect the crop diseases. So for this, now I am going to do this project. So first I will start the timer now. I'm starting the timer. So first step I'm doing that. Let's navigate to the ChatGPT and ask, just copy this prompt and I will paste in the ChatGPT, and I will ask for, give me a detailed prompt to generate this application. So I'm clicking enter. So it will give you a detailed prompt. So you can see, develop an AI-driven cross disease prediction as a web and mobile application that helps farmers, computer vision, so on. It was giving so on, so on. So now I'm copying this prompt. I'm just copying this prompt and I'm navigating to the AI tool called Lovable. So you can also use this Lovable tool. You need to sign in with your account. So now I am asking to the Lovable. So I just pasted this prompt. So in this I want to change some modification. So for detecting the crop disease, we will we will use the Gemini model as the backend. We will check the latest Gemini model. Let's navigate to Gemini API. So here you can click on read API docs. So you can see what are the latest model they released. So we need the vision model because it need to identify the application. So you can see. So here the model is Gemini 1.5 Pro. We will try to use the latest model. So let's navigate to the vision model. So this is the latest model they released, Gemini 2.0 Flash. It was very accurate. So I'm just copying this model code and I'm pasting it. I'm clicking on enter. So the log will automatically generate the project for us. You can see the clean sleek dashboard. It will write the code. It will use the TypeScript as the default. You can see this. It was generating the code. It will use the Plot 3.7 Sonnet as the backend. By looking at the code, we can able to identify it. So until now, we will try to see some other things, and now we will grab the API key for the Gemini. Just click on Gemini API docs. Here you can see a option, get Gemini API key. It will navigate to the Gemini Studio. So here you can see that just create the API key. Just select. You will be navigated to this thing only, but we can also click another on the GCP. I'm clicking on it and clicking on generate API key. So it will generate the API key. Just copy it, and then we will again navigate to the logable. It's still writing the code. So you can see that this code reflects that they are using the latest Claude model 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic. So it completed the code. We got an error, build unsuccessful, maybe with the Lucid React. So it will allowable also automatically fix the bugs also. So mostly you can use this for the prototyping and also for generating a structure for your project. So it selected the name as cropwise, and also you can able to connect your Superbase database, and also you can connect your GitHub also. So default it will use the sandbox environment as the backend. Let's wait for it. Let's refresh it. You can see a clean sleek dashboard. You can see welcome to cropwise dashboard. disease detection, analytics, resources, so on. So here I try to upload an image. You can see I'm uploading an image of paddy or rose. You can see the image. It was a disease, black spot disease. So you can see a pod, a small detection leaves, stems. I think it was providing some default information. Again, I am trying to upload another image. Let's upload this image, paddy image. Just detect disease. Yeah, it will giving the exact answer. So here you can ask for it. I need the plant details in the form of in the tabular form. We will ask for the tabular form, and also make it as educational about plant. I'm clicking enter, and you can also and use my Gemini API key as environment variable. I'm pasting my API key. Defaultly, it will take the API key actually. Just clicking on enter. I think it does not take the API key as publicly. So it will use this. Let's add the details in a tabular form from the application. Make more educational by integrating your Gemini API key. We can see the code. It will directly integrate it actually without using the environment variable. Yeah. It was not using the Gemini model as we expected. We need to resolve it. You can see on the code. Here it will giving the some default values like mock responses. We will also modify it. Instead of default mock responses, use Gemini 2.2.0. Use Gemini 2.0 model for this. So I just prompted it. You can see how it will create the dashboard. So on. You can see total scans, crop monitor, weather conditions, so on. It give that. So tabulate, and you can see I'll modify the Gemini 2.0 instead of mock responses. You can see that. I think it done that. Again, try this application. So actually, it is a rose. Let's try. Yeah, it was taking as the Gemini as backend. So you can see fail to analyze the image properly. Please select it. Clear image could not extract plant details from analysis. Let's fix it for plant detection and also for disease detection. Use the Gemini as backend. We will try to give the sample code for it. Few minutes are remaining. We'll click on vision. Select the Node.js. Just copy it and paste this in global. I think it will solve this error. Yeah. Now it was generating correctly. You can see that it was using Gemini 2.2 Flash model. Also, it was taking the image as base 64. You can also do this using Python, Grady or Streamlit. Yeah, it was completing. Only 2 minutes are remaining for us. Now in this video, we are also deploying this application to share to anyone. It was taking so much of tokens. It was generating so much of content than we expected. The disadvantage with the new Cloud 3.7 agent model is it will generate more content than we expected. I think they trained on more tokens and more number of parameters. Yeah, it was completed this. Only 50 seconds are remaining. Yeah, I'm uploading the image and detect this is. It was saying fail to analyze. Just copy this and paste it on the lovable again. Try with another image. Let's try with another image. We will refresh this page again. Not showing the preview of the application. Let's ask the lovable again. So our monthly subscription, our free trial was ended. So let's do another thing. Just we copy this, just we revert this. We will restore this. Just connect to your GitHub repository. Copy the link. Go to any IDE. I'm using the lovable now. I'm using the Windsurf now. Create an empty folder in it. New file, new window. I'm clicking on connect to. I click on terminal and clone this repository. We need to copy it. Yes. So it will clone the repository. Now let's open that application. Open folder. Yeah, you can see this. Just open it and run the new command npm install. Since it was a TypeScript project, we need to install the modules. You can download the Windsurf for free. You will get some free credits. You can do projects on this. So it was downloading the modules of Node.js. Yeah, now just clear it and run the application. Just open this. You can modify it to anything you want. Hooks, components, analysis report. So we need to look for the services and Gemini service. So we need to find out the error now. So it opened the dashboard. Click on start detection. I will try to again upload the image. Detect this is. Taking more time than we expected. We can see the log errors on the console. So it was showing an error. Yeah, it was actually giving the correct response, but we are getting an parsing error actually. So let's explain this error to the this. So first tag the project repository and then explain the error. This I'm getting an error. Gemini giving the response, but that was not showing in the UI. it made some changes in the file, you can see. Yeah, let's click on accept and let's refresh the page. Let's upload the image again. This is the rose leaf image. It was processing. You can see it gave the response, the detailed response and education related content also. It it predicted as rose black with the high confidence. Let's test the plant identification also. I'm uploading the mango plant leaf and clicking on submit. So it will process and it will give the response also.
Hey guys, I'm Lisa. I hope you all enjoyed the video and gained some valuable knowledge. Let's vote on making another full stack project. If you like our content, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and share it with your friends.